Let's make some fish in the air fryer. We'll start with the marinade. Take some olive oil, fresh garlic, tomato paste, salt, paprika, turmeric powder, chili flakes, dried parsley, lemon juice. Mix everything. This is the marinade for the fish. Gonna take some onions, some tomatoes, some fresh garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, soy sauce, salt, paprika. Mix everything. I've got 2 fillet of sea bass. You can use whatever fish you like. Pour the marinade over the fish. Coat the fish really well with all the marinade on both sides. Take a baking dish that fits in your air fryer basket. Place the vegetables in the baking dish first. Spread them around. Now place the fish here. Pour the remaining marinade on top of the fish. Now you can prep this a day before you want to make it, and this can stay in the fridge overnight. I'm gonna let it marinate for at least 2 hours. Now take your air fryer basket. This is gonna go in the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 13 minutes. It's ready.